Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about potential. Potential can mean a lot of things, but today we're going to be talking about the potential in water and in soil. First off, we're going to be talking about soil water potential. So there's three factors in soil water potential. Matrix is the potential that results from the attraction of water to the soil. And then we have gravitational, which is the potential energy that comes from the gravity that's on the water and the soil horizons and stuff. Also, there's the osmotic water, which is like the water without the dissolved ions, and that has a factor in soil water potential. It also has a formula.
This is the soil water potential formula.
So it's basically the potential soil equals the potential of G plus the potential of M plus the potential of O. And that's it.
Another thing about potential is water potential gradient. This is where the humidity of the air influences the movement along the gradient. When there is low relative humidity, the air can be released into the air as vapor and it travels through the plant, whereas when the humidity is high, it won't move along the gradient. Here is a picture showing it.
So this is the water gradient potential chart. So basically the bar is the amount of potential in the water and how it can be absorbed. So the soil water has the most potential because it's the smallest negative number, and then as it gets further away it becomes harder to absorb, so it's a larger negative number as it gets further away. So the roots have a -3 to -20 bars. Around the leaves there's a -15 to -30 bar potential, and in the atmosphere there's a -500 bar, which means that there's really no potential in there.
Saturation is pretty easy. It's basically when all of the soil pores are filled with water. Field capacity is also important and pretty easy to understand. It's basically the amount of water that soil can hold without it being too much or too little. It is before it drains out and before it floods.
Next up, we've got cohesion versus adhesion. These can be easily confused with each other. Adhesion is the attraction of soil water to soil particles. It is a strong attraction. Cohesion is the attraction of water molecules to each other, making a hydrogen bond. This is a loose attraction. More potential and less potential is pretty simple. More potential means that water is more available to plants, which isn't held tightly. With low potential, water is held tighter, making it less available to plants.
So this is a diagram showing the water movement through different types of soil. So on a clay loam, the water it's harder for it to go through, so it spreads out and doesn't go as deep because it's harder for the water to penetrate through. And for the sandy loam, it's a lot different. It just goes straight down because it flows through easier. So the same amount of water just goes down differently and goes deeper and is less spread out.